nXt full custom theme, black icons, dark apps and more. Let's get started. What's up YouTube? The developer with you. I'm so happy to meet you again my friends, and today I have a good surprise for you. I created this incredible theme which allows you to get a full custom look. Of course, 7.0 Samsung phone is required. Not Oreo and not inferior. For those who are looking for a dark Play Store application. Congratulations my friends. You got it. You will also get many dark system applications, so please press the like button if I really deserve it. Down in the description you will find a simple link, press it and download, then install the given application. This is a trial theme just like the others. I hope you knew something about how to get it forever. There's many tutorials. Just watch my previous videos if you have no idea about the process. If you want to get more wonderful themes, just support me. You know my friends. Just hit that like button and you are done. If you have any question, let me know in the comments section. And if this is your first time here and you want to get more, please subscribe and you will be appreciated. Have a great day.